welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now in this video today, here we are at Home Goods TJ Maxx and we are doing a shop with me. So come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now, as you can see here, we are in the clearance area. So look at all these ginger jars, guys, and their chinoiserie. Okay, so I also have a quick reminders on some collaboration. So let's just get started. Now on the 19th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I have Styling My Way. And that is an amazing collaboration. You can style anything in any area of your home your way and reveal. That's it. So let's move on over to the next one. And remember, that one is on the 19th at 7. Then we have on April 24th at 7, we have the Spring Blossoms and Fruit Tia Tray collaboration. Now that sounds like so much fun that it speaks for itself. Remember, it's tia trays. You can decorate one tia tray or you could decorate more than one, whatever your heart desires, guys. I'll see you there at 7 p.m. I could never get enough of this store. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. God bless you.